Hi, welcome to another video. Uh, this is usually me yapping on about Commodore stuff, and I love Commodore stuff. But today we're gonna talk about something else, which is also awesome. So hang in there. Let's have a look. So last weekend, I was gonna do something different for my live stream. So in the first time in a really long time, I did stream some PC Engine gaming. And while doing that, we're having a quick look at all the awesome shoot 'em ups that console offers. But what I felt was really lacking was the game pads. The game pads are not awesome for shoot 'em ups. They're barely good enough for platforming, in my opinion. They're not great. It's a great console. The gamepads, however, aren't. And we were talking, me and the viewers, about how awesome it would be to have an arcade stick for the PC Engine. And were people saying that there weren't anyone doing anything for the PC Engine these days, which was a bit sad. So I said, yeah, let's investigate. Perhaps I can build something. I had a couple of old arcade parts at home. Perhaps I can assemble something and see if I can get it working. And then I didn't, because life. And then Monday morning on my way to work, I was watching Twitter from my cell phone, and I saw a post from Monster Joysticks that they just released their Monster Joystick for PC Engine, and I was so excited. I put an order there instantly while being on the train to work, and today I got the kit. So I figured I'll make an assembly video for you guys. I know before I have this other version of Monster Joysticks, which I really adore, for my C64 and Amigas, and I have been claiming that any monkey could build it. So today I figured I'm gonna prove that to you. So yeah, hope you'll enjoy me assembling my Monster Mini PC Engine joystick. So for the next step, I'm supposed to mount the side panels. I do, however, think that I got an error in my order. These two look identical to me, which means the side buttons will not align. So if I put shiny side out here and shiny side out here, see, I get one hole here and one here, which is interesting. Not sure, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. It doesn't really matter to me, like gaming wise. I assume I will use this as the run button, which is pretty much for just starting the game and such, but it looks a bit odd, and I'm pretty certain that these two should be aligned. But never mind, I'll keep building it like this. Okay, so I found a problem or issue really with this button. Remember this piece? It was the same as this one. I would really need to have the hole here at this point, because this switch won't clear this one as it is now. And I don't think if I do it in reverse, then the joystick wouldn't fit here. So the workaround at this point is that I actually have to switch this one inside out, so the glassy side will stay in. I will contact Monster Joysticks about it. I'm pretty sure they will send me a new one. now let's just wipe her clean and then we'll give her a spin on the PC Engine. Look at that, beautiful. And there we have it. The Monster Joystick for PC Engine is assembled and tested. Everything works awesome. I did get the wrong side piece. I flipped it around, so it's matte instead of a blank now. But at least it works. I will contact Monster Joysticks. I have contacted them before and they're really awesome to deal with. So I'm 100% confident that they will replace this part for me. For no charge. Awesome guys, and yeah, hopefully get a glance at how easy these things are to assemble. So don't be afraid about that if you're intending to getting one of these. This is a really awesome device. I just gave it like a quick run out at R-Type 2, but I will be playing a lot of shoot 'em ups now for like the rest of the evening probably. So yeah, enjoy guys. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you didn't. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like, and make sure to follow me on Twitch for Commodore live streams mainly, but I will most likely do some PC Engine as well now forward. So that's it for this time. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great one. Cheers!